Oppolia was founded in 2015 and has served millions of households worldwide. Why do so many families choose Oppolia? From inception, Oppolia has insisted on providing whole-house solutions, truly achieving full category integration and unified design. Our one-stop service ensures integrated design for all furnishings in every space that meet consumers' needs for stylish, functional, and hassle-free furnishing experience. Oppolia refers to the features of entry luxury, Italian style, and breathtaking home aesthetics. Our collections win nearly 10 global design awards yearly for 3 straight years. What's Oppolia's secret? As the pioneer in home customization, we spare no effort in product, research, and design. Collaborating with Italian design master Marco, we established a professional R&D team to bring global trends to millions of families. Stylish products and considerate services keep Oppolia at the industry forefront. We ensure flawless home design execution. Our advanced CAXA design system integrates hard and soft decoration, streamlining the entire process, designing a 3-bedroom unit in 5 minutes. Customers can experience 100% fidelity with premium durability, beauty, and functionality combined. Quality is paramount. Oppolia partners with top global suppliers, sourcing premium materials, craftsmanship, and technology for high-quality homes. Additionally, we operate a national CNAS certified lab, conducting tests recognized by 100 countries worldwide. From raw materials to finished products, the testing system enforces over 160 stringent checks to ensure full compliance, guaranteeing product excellence in both visible and invisible details. Oppolia delivers a rigorous standard system for premium quality throughout. In eco-innovation, we lead with cutting-edge tech and dual certified with China, ENF, and Japan F 4-star standards. Oppolia, innovative formaldehyde purifying cabinets, ensure a safe and healthy home. Intelligent production bases, with German equipment and a powerful global supply chain, greatly enhance our product craftsmanship and bulk customization capacity. Efficient one-stop whole-house furnishing services eliminate customer anxiety for home decoration or renovation. For logistics, dedicated shuttle systems in our factory enable full digital tracking with zero loss and error. Oppolia delivers premium quality at reasonable prices. We offer whole house packages, launching a series of flagship bundles to make home furnishing a ease. Turnkey one-stop solutions offer customers high-quality, stylish, and exceptional valued home furnishing products. Choosing Oppolia means embracing an unparalleled shopping experience and enjoy a stylish, effortless living. Now, back to the question, why do countless families choose Oppolia? Because we make getting a dream homes that reflect personalities as easy as ever.